My child, pause for a moment and listen closely. I'm speaking to you right now. This is not. You didn't find this message. I led you to it. Nothing in your life happens without purpose. And today is no different. So don't scroll away. Don't lose heart. I see what you've been carrying. I know the silent battles. The prayers you whispered when no one else heard. You've been waiting longer than you expected. You've asked, and the answers felt delayed. But hear me clearly. Everything can change in a moment. What feels stuck can suddenly move. What seems impossible is never impossible for me. Do not measure your situation by what you see. Measure it by my power. I never asked you to place your trust in people. People are limited, they fail. I asked you to love them, but to anchor your trust in me alone. Because when you place your trust in people, disappointment comes. But when your trust is in me, peace returns. Listen carefully. If something was removed from your life, it was not to break you. I never take without purpose. What I remove, I replace with something greater, something deeper, something that brings lasting peace. Even now, I am preparing what comes next for you. You may not see it yet, but I am already working behind the scenes. When the road looks blocked, remember this. I create paths where none exist. I open doors no one can shut. I give strength when yours is gone. So don't give up now. Keep believing. Keep praying. Keep standing. You are closer than you think. And if this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who feels tired, someone who is losing hope. And never forget this. I am with you. I am faithful. And I am still working.